Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 25, 2023, 4th hour Sudoku. 4th grade and 6th grade. Column B, column J, we have pair numbers. Column B, we have 4. And 4th grade, we have 7. 6th grade, we have 7. Column J, we have 4. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Then 6th grade, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row, 8th row, and 2nd row, we have pair numbers 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, 3rd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 9. 4th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 2nd row, only one number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in any one of these cells. Confirm later. 8th row, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then the column H, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. 3rd row, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come this cell. 1 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 6. Column C, column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 1. 8th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 5th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 1. 4th grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 2 also here. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 5th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then fourth grid, column C, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in any one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column F, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Seventh row, we use 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then fifth grid, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Fifth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Fifth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then fifth row, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Sixth grid and seventh row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.